Imagine earning money while you're sleeping, traveling, or just enjoying life. That's not a dream. It's the power of passive income. In this video, we'll explore actionable strategies to generate passive income that anyone can start implementing today. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or build long-term wealth, these proven methods that can generate passive income and pave your way to financial freedom. Investing in dividend stocks. When you're looking to grow your wealth, dividend stocks can be a solid choice. These are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly, usually quarterly. It's like getting a thank you note from the company, but in the form of cash, just for holding on to their stock. Choosing the right dividend stocks is crucial. Look for companies with a long history of paying dividends and a strong track record of financial stability. It's not just about the highest dividend yield, it's also about the sustainability of the business. A company that has been consistently profitable and has a clear plan for growth is more likely to keep those dividends coming. Investing in dividend stocks comes with its own set of risks. Companies can cut or eliminate dividends if they face financial troubles. Plus, the stock price can fluctuate, affecting the value of your investment. It's important to diversify, not just across different stocks, but also different sectors, to mitigate these risks. Dividend stocks can be a great way to build passive income, but they require careful selection and a watchful eye on the market. By choosing wisely and understanding the risks, you can enjoy the fruits of your investment without constant active management. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you, creating a stream of income that complements your financial strategy. Real estate investments. Certainly, let's revisit the section on real estate investments without using abbreviations. Exploring real estate investments can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. One popular method is through owning rental properties. As a property owner, you can earn regular rental income from tenants. This income can help pay off the property's mortgage and potentially yield a profit. Real estate properties can also increase in value over time, providing the opportunity for capital gains. Investing in real estate investment trusts is another option. These trusts are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate across a range of property sectors. They offer a way for individual investors to earn a share of the income produced through commercial real estate ownership without actually having to buy, manage, or finance any properties themselves. Real estate investment trusts are known for their dividend-paying stocks, providing investors with regular income streams. Crowdfunding platforms have also emerged as a modern way to invest in real estate. These platforms enable you to join other investors to collectively fund real estate projects. It's a more accessible entry point into real estate investment, as it typically requires less capital than purchasing a property outright. Crowdfunding allows investors to diversify their investment across multiple properties, which can help mitigate risk. Real estate investment offers various paths to generating passive income, each with its own set of benefits and considerations. Whether you're looking for direct ownership or prefer a hands-off investment, real estate can be tailored to fit your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's about finding the strategy that aligns with your aspirations and taking that step towards building a robust investment portfolio. Online business ventures. Venturing into the online business world offers a plethora of opportunities to earn passive income. Let's begin with the concept of a dropshipping store. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products directly to customers without holding any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the order is sent to a third-party supplier who then ships the product directly to them. It's a low-risk way to start an online business, as it eliminates the need for upfront investment in stock. Another avenue is through content creation, specifically monetizing a blog or a YouTube channel. By producing valuable content that attracts viewers or readers, you can earn money through advertising revenue, sponsored posts, or paid promotions. As your audience grows, so does your potential to earn. And then there's affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. It's about finding products that align with your audience's interests and integrating them into your content in a way that feels natural and genuine. These online business models can be started with minimal investment and can be scaled over time. They require some initial effort to set up, but once they're running, they can provide a steady stream of income. It's about leveraging the internet to create value and connect with a global audience, all while earning income passively. So consider which model aligns with your interests and skills, and take the first step towards building your online empire. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding. Peer-to-peer lending is a way to lend money directly to individuals or businesses without going through a traditional financial institution. It's done through online platforms that match lenders with borrowers, offering a more personal approach to lending. This method can be rewarding because it often provides higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or even some investment funds. Crowdfunding investments have a similar community-driven spirit. They allow you to invest in startups, small businesses, or real estate projects with others who share your enthusiasm. The benefit here is that you're not just a passive investor. You're part of a collective effort to launch or grow a business or project. Plus, you can start with relatively small amounts of money, making it accessible to many. However, with the potential for higher returns comes greater risk. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding investments are not insured in the same way as bank deposits, so there's a chance you could lose your money if the borrower defaults or the project fails. To mitigate these risks, it's important to diversify your investments, spreading your funds across multiple loans or projects. Also, do your due diligence by researching the borrowers or the projects you're investing in to make informed decisions. In essence, these platforms offer a more direct and engaging way to invest, but it's crucial to approach them with caution and a well-thought-out strategy. By understanding the risks and taking steps to minimize them, you can make peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding a valuable part of your passive income portfolio. Automating and outsourcing. In the journey to passive income, automation and outsourcing are your allies. They streamline your operations and free up your time, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth. There are numerous tools and services designed to automate repetitive tasks. From scheduling social media posts to managing email campaigns, these solutions work tirelessly in the background, ensuring your business runs smoothly. Outsourcing is another key strategy. By hiring virtual assistants, you can delegate administrative tasks, customer service, or even content creation. This not only increases efficiency, but also taps into a global talent pool. Virtual assistants can be found for various tasks and budgets, making it a flexible option for entrepreneurs at all levels. As your passive income sources grow, scaling becomes essential. Automation and outsourcing are vital in this phase, helping you manage increased workload without compromising quality. They allow you to multiply your efforts and expand your reach without adding more hours to your workday. By embracing these strategies, you can build a robust system that supports your passive income streams. It's about working smarter and making the most of the resources available to you. With the right setup, you can watch your passive income grow, even as you step back and enjoy the rewards of your hard work. Maintaining and growing your income streams. To ensure the health of your income streams, it's crucial to keep a close eye on them. Think of them as a garden that needs regular care. Just as you wouldn't let weeds overrun your plants, you shouldn't let your investments or businesses go unchecked. Schedule regular reviews to assess performance and make necessary adjustments. Another key to financial growth is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different areas, you reduce risk and increase the chance of finding a truly lucrative opportunity. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or a side business, having multiple sources of income can provide security and boost your overall financial picture. Smart reinvestment can significantly amplify your wealth. When your ventures do well, resist the temptation to spend all the profits. Instead, channel some back into the business or investment. This reinvestment not only helps to sustain the venture, but also sets the stage for exponential growth. By following these strategies, you can nurture and expand your income streams effectively. Remember that passive income is the stepping stone to financial liberation. If you're ready to take that step, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to stay updated on the journey to wealth.